Success in business often hinges on a combination of factors including determination, resilience, innovation, and strategic thinking. Here are some tips for those aiming to excel. 1. Set clear goals. Success begins with a clear vision and well-defined goals. Take the time to articulate what success looks like for you and your business. Break down your objectives into measurable milestones, both short-term and long-term. Regularly reassess these goals to ensure they remain aligned with your evolving priorities and the changing business landscape. 2. Continuous learning. In the fast-paced world of business, those who stagnate risk falling behind. Commit to lifelong learning by staying abreast of industry trends, market dynamics, and emerging technologies. Attend workshops, seminars, and conferences relevant to your field. Additionally, immerse yourself in a variety of educational resources, from books and articles to online courses and podcasts. Cultivate a curious mindset and remain open to new ideas and perspectives. 3. Build a strong network. Success in business often hinges on the strength of your professional relationships. Invest time and effort in nurturing a robust network of mentors, peers, industry experts, and potential collaborators. Networking provides valuable opportunities for knowledge sharing, mentorship, partnership, and even potential customer referrals. Actively engage with your network, both online and offline, and seek opportunities to add value to others wherever possible. 4. Embrace innovation. Innovation is the lifeblood of any successful business. Encourage a culture of creativity and experimentation within your organization. Foster an environment where employees feel empowered to challenge the status quo, explore new ideas, and take calculated risks. Embrace emerging technologies and trends that have the potential to disrupt your industry, and be proactive in adapting your business strategies accordingly. Remember, innovation isn't just about groundbreaking inventions. It can also involve incremental improvements and process optimizations that drive efficiency and enhance customer value. 5. Focus on customer needs. At the heart of every successful business lies a deep understanding of its customers. Take the time to truly know your target audience, their preferences, pain points, and aspirations. Develop products and services that address genuine customer needs and provide tangible value. Prioritize exceptional customer service and actively seek feedback to continually refine and improve your offerings. Building strong customer relationships fosters loyalty, drives repeat business, and generates positive word-of-mouth referrals, a powerful engine for sustainable growth. 6. Effective communication. Clear and effective communication is essential for fostering collaboration, aligning goals, and inspiring action within your organization. Cultivate strong communication skills, both verbal and written, and encourage open dialogue among team members. Clearly articulate your vision, values, and expectations, and ensure that everyone understands their role in achieving collective objectives. Actively listen to feedback and concerns from employees, customers, and other stakeholders, and be responsive to their needs and perspectives. Effective communication builds trust, enhances morale, and fosters a culture of transparency and accountability.
7. Manage finance wisely.
Financial management is the cornerstone of a sustainable business. Maintain a firm grasp on your company's financial health by diligently tracking income, expenses, and cash flow. Develop a comprehensive budget that allocates resources strategically and identifies areas for cost savings and revenue growth. Invest in robust accounting and financial reporting systems to provide timely and accurate insights into your financial performance. Regularly review your financial statements and key performance indicators to identify trends, spot potential issues, and make informed decisions. Additionally, explore opportunities to optimize your capital structure, manage debt responsibly, and pursue sources of funding that align with your long-term goals. 8. Adaptability. In today's rapidly changing business environment, adaptability is a prerequisite for success. Stay attuned to market trends, competitive pressures, and technological advancements, and be prepared to pivot your strategies and tactics accordingly. Embrace change as an opportunity for growth and innovation, rather than as a threat to be feared. Cultivate a culture of flexibility and resilience within your organization, where employees are empowered to embrace new challenges and learn from setbacks. By remaining agile and responsive to evolving circumstances, You can position your business for long-term success in any environment. 9. Take calculated risks. Entrepreneurship inherently involves risk, but successful business leaders understand how to manage and mitigate those risks effectively. Conduct thorough research and analysis before making major decisions, and carefully weigh the potential rewards against the potential pitfalls. Avoid succumbing to analysis paralysis by embracing a mindset of informed risk-taking. Recognize that some level of uncertainty is inevitable, but strive to minimize it through diligent preparation and contingency planning. Be willing to step outside your comfort zone and seize opportunities that offer the potential for growth and innovation, while also being mindful of protecting your core business interests. 10. Work-life balance. While dedication and hard work are admirable qualities, they must be balanced with self-care and personal well-being. Recognize the importance of maintaining a healthy work-life balance to avoid burnout and sustain long-term success. Prioritize activities that promote physical health, mental wellness, and emotional fulfillment outside of work. Set boundaries around your time and energy, and carve out dedicated periods for rest, relaxation, and leisure activities. Remember that success is not defined solely by professional achievements, but also by the quality of life you enjoy and the meaningful connections you cultivate outside of work. In conclusion, success in business is a multifaceted journey that requires a combination of vision, hard work, adaptability, and interpersonal skills. By setting clear goals, embracing innovation, prioritizing customer needs, and fostering strong relationships, you can position yourself and your business for sustainable growth and long-term success. Thank you for watching. This wraps up the video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to stay updated on future content.